Hello guys, welcome back to another video from your boy and George Destroys Games. So I think today let's play as nature. So let me just put my settings back up because of the music. Okay. Because you know the music, copyright. If you see my latest community post. And the Darkness video that I just posted has no music in it. And yeah, no copyright. So yeah, now that's what I have to do now. I'm just gonna... I could buy you. Let me go steal some weapons like always in every single video. I'm stealing weapons. Gravity take heavy inflation. Yeah! Die! I'll fight him for you! I fought him for you. See? I'm a good boy. If someone with tech comes at me, I'm gonna fight them because nature can kill tech, and I know it because when you have technology, don't touch grass. I'm joking. Like me? I'm joking. Let's see, is this guy tech? I don't think it is. I got space. I thought space was green. This is tech. Yeah, this is tech. Get your thing so you can fight. Come after me! Where did Bo go? Come over here, Bo. What is Bo doing? Come over here. I am going to murder you. I was like, whoa. Oh, we have to do gravity in next video. We have to. Where's my area? Is that my area? No. Where'd my area go? Is this what? Oh no, that's my area. I forgot I didn't even do anything with my area. 4,000. Let's get this and let's get some wands. Oh, I would. No. I think no. But I'll fight you. Why can't you break these? These are so annoying. Okay, let me remove those. Because when I'm able to actually get them, I don't. Christmas tree sword. Hey, I remember seeing this one time. Okay, let's fight technology. What does this do? Such a cool effect. That was so stupid. Get eaten. Ah! Bro just obliterated me. Ability 2. True. Wait, I'm still king of the hill somehow. Hey, bam! Oh, yes! What if I don't know. I want to fight technology now. Technology already has its things. I don't know that space. This is tech. Fight me. You don't even know how to use bombs on glass. Come after me, bro. Did I die? I'm like a bot. I just went out of his Tycoon. We're both about to die like you. Oh. We're both about to die like you. What? Let's fight him. Pew pew pow pow pow. Pew 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 pow 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 pow. Where's Bo at? No, I'm king of the hill, bro. People are forgetting that. I think Bill left. Yeah, he left. Lightning with the thunder. Dang it! I'm gonna get copyrighted for that. Hey, this guy, I want to cut that video out. I put out. You know. I'm nature. Second floor. Stairs. I don't even have enough for any of this. Wait, besides the walls. I was like, wait, besides the walls. Wait. I need to get the big trap. Is someone hitting no street? Big ability pad. Let's do like the big droppers first before we start doing anything. Let's go fight people while we wait for us thing to get kind of. Oh. Where did Tech go? I think they actually left. Yeah, I think this is Tech. Where did Bo go? Bo died. You don't have your thing? I'm gonna hide in here. Can't find me. Whoa, what? Whoa, are you serious? This is his thing, and I'm gonna get in and take his dogness. Boom! Oh yeah, remember from the last video, I forgot about the turret thing? Yeah, I almost forgot about it again. If someone comes in here, I'm gonna be staring at them. That thing is just, I'm gonna grab you. Woo! But big dropper, big money. Transform. Who do I become? I don't know the character. Is this darkness? This is not darkness. This is something else. Gravity. Gravity just has a ball for the pet. That's just Bro, I'm gonna make the ball go crazy. The ball literally goes crazy. Hey. Pow, pow, pew, pew, pow, pow, pow. They just put. I'm speed. I have a little fairy. I don't want that. Guess I have it now. I'm taking someone else's pet. I don't like this pet. Bro, are you serious? Whoa! Why can't I get on my thing? Bop, 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 bop. Yay! bought walls. Oh no, he didn't. What is this? Oh, I think this is a Naruto. Light, I think, is Naruto. What did I shoot it at? No, he's stunned though. I killed him. I'm still going faster. You can't kill me now. I'm not king of the hill. I'm shooting you about. But I'm king of the hill. What you talking about? I'm king of the hill. This is all this guy does. Yeah, kill him. You see when you... Where's the JoJo character? Nature. Money. I'm a Pokemon. Ability. There's two more abilities. This is one of the abilities I need. Why did I expect that? Hey, listen. Listen, you bit. Giant noob. No, get out. What? Why did they grab him? Money. Are you serious? But just randomly gets attacked by a random thing. Just randomly gets attacked by a random. What the heck? Chill! But my body parts became money. Sell my body parts. Wait. We need cat. Yay. But McDonald's isn't the too much. Yay! Doesn't even go that far, bro. It's a distance. You know the reason why I just put it down here, like I was like, wow. I need to get the super dropper, and I will get money. Let's just do it until I get the super dropper. Okay, guys, so we're about to get the super dropper so we can make money. But 40,000. So let me just look at my buy this. I can literally buy everything now. How did bro get it? You're not getting in here for you're gonna die soon. I'm not gonna attack you. I'm just saying you're gonna die. What's the security guard think? Let me just buy all this. Yeah, I did. Yeah, you got. I think he died. He came in at the wrong time, bro. Normally it's the easy, though, like the best. So yeah, let's just do this. Oh, 8 million! I'm about to beat the Tycoon. Wait, ladder. Come inside, come inside. Come on, son. Come inside. Come on. Fall food. Like, bro, I heard the person die. So he came in at the incorrect time. Energy to I'm gonna shoot y'all. He didn't do much. So. Oh! Oh, that does a lot. Yay. 13 million, you know. Oh my gosh. Anyway, guys, we're about to beat the Tycoon, so we tricked 2 people. That off guy, he came into my base probably the way how I came in the first video. The other base. I don't even know what the boosts do, but I guess they do. So yeah, I'm just saying that was trick right there. Anyway, so we beat the Tycoon, so let's test our abilities. That was why I never got the mastery badge. Let's go become King of the Hill. Hey! Oh, he got me. You don't. No. Bop. He must have died. Bro, he's literally like, he just takes people's weapons. No, he almost ran into it. I bet you he isn't even off. Yes! Yes! Whoever did that, thank you. Anyway, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and